Hello friends, this is Anand. Welcome to my channel Anybody Can Do. In this video, I am going to discuss a question from GATE CS 2007 for 2 marks. The question is based on binary tree traversal. In this question, they have given the in-order and pre-order traversal of a binary tree, and we need to find out the post-order traversal of a binary tree. So before going to solve this question, we should know the definition. In computer science, tree traversal is a form of a graph traversal and refers to the process of visiting each node in a tree data structure exactly once. Such traversals are classified by the order in which the nodes are visited. Basically, we come across pre-order, in-order, and post-order. Difference between the way in which we visit the nodes. In pre-order traversal, first we visit the node or root node, then we visit the left node, then we visit to the right node. In-order traversal, first we visit left node, then we visit the actual node, then we visit the right node. In post-order traversal, first we cover the left node part, then right node, and then the root node. Okay, so before going to attempt this question, what we will see, I'll just take a tree with 3 nodes. Okay, first I'll take the tree with 3 nodes, and that 3 nodes I'll going to uh, write the pre-order, post-order, and the in-order. So this is the tree I'm having, which consists of 3 nodes. So first I'll going to write down the pre-order. So to write down the pre-order part of this tree, in pre-order, what happens? First we need to visit the node. Okay, so in this we have A is what? The node. So I'm going to write the A. Then we need to visit the left node, which is B. Then we will visit the right node, which is C. Now next we will write down the in order for this tree. So in order traversal of this tree, in order, first we need to visit the left node, then we will visit the root node, then we will visit the right node. Then finally we have the post order for this simple tree. In post order, first we need to cover the left part of the tree, which is B, then we need to cover the right part of the tree, which is C, and then we will visit the root node, which is A. So the simple observation, in pre-order traversal, first we need to visit the root node. In post-order traversal, we visit the root node at the last, and in order traversal, the same root node we visited exactly in the middle. Okay, now we will see the question. Okay, very simple question for 2 marks. So in this question they have given the in order. In this question they have given in order and the pre-order. So they have given the in order and the pre-order. So we know that in pre-order we visit the root node in the beginning, and in order the same root node we visit in the middle. And if you see these options, so from this option also we know that key A is our root node. Okay, because in the post order, in the question they have asked, we need to find out the post order traversal, and post order traversal we are visiting the root node at the last. So whenever they are giving the tree, alphabet tree, so they need to give minimum 2 tree, then only we can find out the third tree. So in this question they have given the in order and pre-order, and because they have given in order and pre-order, we can easily get the answer for the post order traversal of binary tree. So when we know that A is my root node, so obviously D, B and E, these three nodes will be the left of A. So D, B, E will be the left of A, and F, C, G will come to the right of A. So this is the pre-order. So A we already have visited, then we will visit B. While visiting B, we know that D and E parent will be B. So D will come to the left of B and E will come to the right of B. So this is as per the observation, or in between we need to keep revising this small concept. In pre-order, we visit the node first, then left node, then the right node. So the same way for this FCG part, from in order traversal, we know that FCG will come to the right of A, and while it comes to the right of A, C will be the root node. How I am coming to this conclusion C? Because C here again you can see this C is in the middle of F and G. So F will come to the left of C and G will come to the right of C. So this is the simple tree which we have formed using in order and pre-order, and then we can easily write down the post order traversal. What happens in post order traversal? First we need to visit the left part, then we will visit the right part, and then this root node will come. So A's left is B, B's left is D. So post order traversal, first we will visit the D node, then we will visit the right of B, which is E, then we will visit the root node, which is B, then we will visit to the right node, which is F, then we will visit G, then we will visit C, and then we will visit A. So this is the post order traversal of this tree. So the correct option is A, D, E, B, F, G, C, A. So for this tree, I'm going to write down the in order, which is already given in the question, but for the practice, I'm writing in front of you. In this in order traversal, first we will visit the left part, which is B, B's left, which is D. So first I will visit D in order traversal, then I will have B, then I will have E, then I will visit A, then I will visit F, then I will visit C, and then I will visit G. This they have given in order traversal. In the question they have given this only: D, B, E, A, F, C and G, and they have given the pre-order also. So let me write down from the tree. In pre-order traversal, what happened? First we need to visit this root node, which is A, then we will visit B, then we will visit left of B, which is D, then we will visit right of B, which is E, then we will visit C, then we will visit left of C, which is F, and then we will visit right of C. And these two actually they have given in the question: A, B, D, E, C, F, G. They have given these two traversal, in order and pre-order, and from that we have written down the post order traversal of 3. So very simple question for 2 marks. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you.